In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive tasks in Asana. In Asana, there isn't a dedicated archive button for individual tasks, so the practical way to remove a task from your active views is to delete it. Don't worry, you'll see how to undo a deletion right away if you change your mind, and I'll also point out the option to delete permanently when you're completely sure. Start by opening Asana and heading to the home view. This is your central hub, and it's a great starting point because you can quickly jump to the areas you use most. From the left-hand sidebar, click on My Tasks. This focuses your workspace on items assigned to you, which is usually where you'll decide what's done, what stays active, and what can be archived out of sight. Next, pick the specific task you want to remove from your workflow by clicking on it. The Task Details pane will open on the right. Take a quick moment to confirm you've chosen the correct task, scan the title, description, subtasks, and any attachments or comments. If anything in that task needs to be saved elsewhere, now's the time to copy it or reassign ownership. With the task open, look to the top right corner of the task pane and click the three-dot icon. This is the More Actions menu for the task. It contains powerful controls that affect the task's life cycle, so it's a reliable place to manage cleanup and housekeeping. Choose Delete Task from this menu. This removes the task from your lists and projects, helping you keep your workspace tidy. Right after deleting, Asana typically shows a brief notification with the option to undo, which is helpful if you click too quickly or realized you still need the task. If your intention is to remove the task for good, you can proceed by selecting Delete permanently when prompted. Use this option only when you're certain you won't need the task or its history again. Permanent deletion can't be undone and may require the right permissions in your organization. If you decide the deletion was a mistake, click Undelete from the notification banner that appears immediately after you delete. This restores the task, including its details, so you can keep working without losing context. That's the full flow. Go to Home, open My Tasks, select the task, use the three-dot menu, delete it, delete permanently if you're sure, and use Undelete if you need it back. As a tip, if you'd like to keep historical context without removing the record, consider marking tasks complete instead of deleting. But when you truly want a task out of your way, this delete and undo workflow is the cleanest path.